You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly once and for all in English those two words. The top word here is pronounced as hospital. Hospital. Stress on the first syllable. Hospital. Bottom word, medicine, which is the science used in a hospital. Medicine. Medicine and a hospital. Hospital, medicine. English pronunciation. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.